Okay, here we go. Received this lock from Dark Horse of the DBC locksmith forum. These picks also, so thanks for that. He's given me the loan of these so I could try my hand at picking a mortise lock, which I've never done before in my life, so this is a first. Hopefully, mind you, it's a bit awkward position because trying not to block the camera angle, and I'm sitting to the side at an angle which isn't good for me. Right. I'm not certain about tension either on this, so it is trial and error. Try and lift the two levers up inside this. I know that for a fact because I was told there's two levers. There doesn't seem to be any give at all. So I'm thinking I've got it wrong. Oh, maybe not. I'm not sure how much pressure I should be putting on this. But there he goes. I've actually opened it. Well, don't know if I can get it back, but you can see that. No, I can't get it back. So it's open anyway, which was the main thing, and I'm now going to open it up because Dark Horse gave me permission to do that, should I wish it, and see what's inside it. Well, it's not as bad as I thought, so that obviously fits up into this little groove here at the back of the levers. Take it either way, and this little beauty is what lifts each individual lever up. So I've done it. I'm very happy about that, and have another go, I think. So let's put it all back together. Certainly it undid better than I thought it would, because I thought I'd be struggling for a while. Let's just have one more go. That drops in. To get that into the cam, or into the... Oh, there's a I don't know if that's right, but it's certainly binding on something. And then I put this in. And I've got no chance because I've lost it. Damn it. So let's stop that.